Welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how you can submit your early alert progress reports using two different methods. The first method is to respond via the link in the email that you will receive, and the second method is to respond by logging into your Navigate account. Let's get started. When it is time for early alerts, you will receive an email that prompts you to submit progress reports for all the students that you have in your classes this quarter. When using the first method, all you have to do is open up the email that you receive that looks something like this. You will want to make sure that you check your spam or promotions folder if you do not see this email in your inbox. In this email, you will be provided with the link that says, click to begin entering student feedback. Once you click on that link, you will be directed to a new tab where your current students are listed and you are able to fill out the form. If you select yes, you will be prompted to select the reason why, and you are able to select all that apply. Continue to fill out the form for the rest of your students and click Submit Only Marked Students. If you are unable to get through all your students at once, you will be able to come back to the same link and finish at a later time. When using the second method, you will want to begin by logging into your My Campus portal and clicking on the Navigate widget. This will open up a new tab directing you to your home page of Navigate. Make sure that you have selected Professor Home at the top left of your Navigate homepage. Once you do that, you should be able to see a yellow bar across the top of your homepage prompting you to submit progress reports. Click on Fill Out Progress Reports. Once you click on that link, you will be directed to a new tab where your current students are listed and you are able to fill out the form. Follow the same steps and submit. Keep in mind that you will only be able to use these two methods as long as the early alerts campaign is active, as indicated in the email and yellow bar in your homepage. After this campaign closes, if you have a concern about a student, you do have the option to submit what is called an ad hoc alert. You can do this by going back to your Navigate homepage, and you will see a box that says Actions. You can click on I want to issue an alert. You select your student and you submit your alert. If you have any questions about submitting your early alerts or how to submit an ad hoc alert, please let us know or contact us at academicsupport@lawsierra.edu. Thank you.